Hey guys, so I got all these cups on my canvas. Still not really quite sure what I'm gonna do. I am gonna use some extreme sheen metallic paints, I know that. So let's just get started. Okay everybody, so I have a 10 by 20 canvas, and as you can see I've got all these little cups. They are 1 ounce plastic cups, and I'm going to be doing a flip cup. 12 cup flip cup is what I'm going to be doing. I've got all my Decoart Extreme Sheen paints, so I kind of have an idea in my head. I'm not sure if that's going to translate to the canvas, but I'm going to give it a try. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the paint in the cups. Okay everybody, so the painting is all dry and I absolutely love it. These colors are just gorgeous. The Decoart Extreme Sheen metallics do not disappoint. They dry beautifully. It's just super shiny, and I will definitely continue to use them. Had never done a flip cup with that many cups. Now I know they were little, there was 12 of them, but it was super fun and I love my results. It did sort of turn out like I had envisioned in my head. I kind of wanted like watery with a little beachy area. So I think it turned out really good. I'm super happy with my results. So don't forget to let me know what you think of this painting in the comments. Also, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video as well. I do really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.